All right, everybody, I'm over at the pole, and I'm going to take care of this piece of conduit here. It's going to be a muddy mess. I'm already getting full of mud, but I know by the time I get out of here, I will look like that ground right there. I know that's coming. So, I'm going to cut this off, this 1.5 inch PVC. I'm going to cut it off right down in there, as low as I can get it. And I'll get that dirt pile back in there. And then I'm going to take the Liquid-Tite and I'm going to come up, and I'm going to come up on the side of this pole right here, just like these other ones are, but I'm just going to stub it out over here somewhere for now, and that's all I'm going to do with it. I'll tape the top of it, try and help keep water from going in there. Here's the Liquid-Tite, I brought it over. These little guys right here, I tell you what, you see that little burr where it got cut, those things will get you quick. You gotta be careful. But the idea is, I'm gonna take the sawzall and cut that pipe over there. I'll also use it to cut this Liquid-Tite. But once I cut the PVC, I gotta glue this end on. It's a female end, so I'll glue this on. And then I got a compression fitting for the Liquid-Tite. You can see that's the male end. And so I'll try and show it here, but this will go inside of there and it'll screw in like that. And I'll come up with the Liquid-Tite, and it'll be I'll put a nice sweep in it, so hopefully it'll be easy to fish. We'll have to put a pull string in it later on. We'll have to get that down, but that'll be down near the ground, and then it'll come up out of this Liquid-Tite right here. So unfortunately I can't hold the camera and do the work at the same time, but here's the before, and then I'll show an after once all is said and done. But that's going to be my project here for the next few minutes, and I'll do this on both sides. And like I said, I want to leave the majority of the Liquid-Tite on the Shabin side, so I'll be as sparingly as I can on this side. And then we'll work on the electric today, and I think I'll try to get that plumbing done, and then we'll get out of here. Probably have to run in a mountain home and grab a few things. So, all right, that's the project I'm working on. That's going to be next. And as soon as I got that done, like I said, I'll come back and show it. All right, see you in a little bit.